Aquaponics is a system which combines the aquaculture and hydroponics that grows fish and plants together in one system. It uses fish wastes to provide essential nutrients to the plants, and in return the plants will purify the water and gives it back to the fishes. The purpose of this paper is to build an efficient system by implementing aquaponics system by using the technology of IoT, Internet of Things. By creating an automated system with the help of sensors interfaced with the Arduino board, it possible to automate fish feeding and water supply to the plants at the regular interval of time. Existing system that combines these technologies must overcome the fundamental issues like cost, food quality control and limited grow. In this paper we intend to propose a kit which contains all these features mentioned above, and that is helpful to provide the basic organic vegetation for the home. The entire system is divided into two parts and it consists of a grow bed and a fish tank. Ultrasonic sensors are placed on both tanks. The ultrasonic sensor 1 is in the fish tank and ultrasonic sensor 2 on the grow bed, and so the valves. Valve 1 is attached to a piping mechanism which is suspended from the grow bed to the fish tank, and valve 2 is attached to the fish tank and an external water source. Initially the ultrasonic sensor 2 gives the water level to the controller. If the water tank level at the fish tank is not at a desired level, then the controller sends a signal to valve 2. Valve 2 is then actuates, then the external water supply which is available for 24/7 will flow to the tank and maintain the desired level of water. The process is displayed on the LCD and also on the web page, and it is the basic working principle of the system. The system itself contains two modes for different climate changes and to reduce the human interfaces. pH mode. As we know that pH plays a crucial role in the aquaponics system. By controlling the pH we can conserve more energy and make the system energy efficient. The actual system always pumps the water into the grow bed whether the fish tank is filled with certain amount of ammonia which needed to the growth of the plant or not, which consumes lot of energy. Here in the automatic system we find a solution to overcome the situation. Which is, the pH mode determines the pH in the fish tank. A pH sense temperature mode. The temperature mode is used when temperature is high or low from the normal atmospheric conditions. If the temperature is high, the plants should get water at regular intervals. In rainy season we cannot depend on the pH of the water in the fish tank, because it changes according to the rainfall. In this mode, that is temperature mode, primarily ultrasonic sensor in the fish tank determine the water level. If the water level is below the set point, then valve 2 will open. Till the water level at fish tank is at set point. The water level is high, then the water pump will turn on. The ultrasonic sensor at upper tank detect the water level at the tank. When water level is at high, then the water pump will turn off and valve 1, valve at upper tank, will open. When the reading of ultrasonic sensor is low, then the valve 1 will close and a counter will start for next loop. Here we can see the web page of the system. The web page contains the P/T modes, which is pH and temperature mode. And the web page contain the D1 and D2, which is the water level at the tank 1 and tank 2. This is the ultrasonic sensor for detecting the fish tank level. The pH sensor in the fish tank. An LCD display for display the system working continuously. This is the ultrasonic sensor for detecting the upper tank level. And the solenoid valve for drainage of upper tank water. Finally, this is the controller box. The controller ATMGA 128 IC is the controller in here, and an IoT module is here for display and controlling the pH and temperature modes. A transformer for the power supply implemented in the circuit. And the two relay are in the circuit, one for the solenoid valve, and one for the submersible water pump. This is the temperature sensor for sensing the atmospheric temperature. First turn on the power supply, then load the web page and select the mode which we want. Here we select temperature mode on web page. Then a counter starts and the counter counts 8. Then check the water level in both tanks. If the fish tank is at set point, then the motor on, and pump the water from fish tank to upper tank. And when the upper tank is at high level of water, then the motor off and valve is open for drain the water to fish tank. Then we select the pH mode on web page. Then a counter starts. When the counter is at 20, then check the water level at both tanks. If the fish tank level is at set point, the motor on and pump the water to the upper tank. When the upper tank level exceeds high, then the motor is turned off, and valve is open. Thank you for watching.